Hey everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you guys the welder series triangulated 4-link. The whole kit comes complete, ready for you to weld, at least the one that I bought. You could also purchase this as a welded kit. I opt out for the one that I'll have to weld. So it comes with everything from the bushings. So it comes with the bushings, upper and lower control arms. These here will connect to the differential. So yeah, everything that you need to weld onto that rear end is here. I also went ahead and purchased the front C-notches that I'll be using for the steering rack so that the bellows don't touch the bottom of the frame. So I'll have to C-notch it out. So these are the parts that they sell, so that you could go ahead and do that. I also purchased the caliper brackets so that I could use a 92 Camaro caliper. I'm looking for the 2-piston calipers right now. I don't really want to use the single caliper brackets or calipers, sorry. But if that's all that I find, then that's what I'll use. This is the driver's side one, so it'd be mounted like this on the spindle. So yeah, that's that. It also comes with all the hardware. I also went ahead and purchased their rear step notch kit. As you can see here, everything is laser cut, so you'll end up having to bend everything. Everything will get bent, and then you end up with a nice seam where you could put your weld in, and you'll get good penetration, and everything will be held together properly. So that part is great. I also went to my local welding supply store and purchased a respirator. Let's see if you guys could see. There's kind of a little bit of glare. This respirator, the guy at the store recommended it. He says it's pretty good. I'm just tired of breathing in all the welding smoke, and it's probably not even good for you. So I went ahead and purchased that. Or definitely not good for you. This here is for grinding off your welds, or grinding your welds, making them look a little nicer in corners. This here is a $20 disc. Guy gave me a discount, got it for 15 bucks. He said that this company has the patent for this style, but I'm not sure on that. I think I'm gonna see if I can find something similar but a little bit cheaper. Then I also picked this up here, just in case I gotta grind some more nasty welds. So yeah. I also went to the metal store and picked up some 1/4-inch sheet. I've got a 2-foot by 3 feet sheet so that I could use it as kind of like a makeshift welding table. And then I bought some tubing over there so that I could practice on my welds, and that way I could go in a circle. That's what I want to practice on, going in a circle so that I could weld that triangulated 4-link. So yeah. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. Also, if you guys need more help, or if I'm not explaining something just right, please put it on the comments and let me know, and I will try to do a better job of explaining things. I'm really enjoying making these videos. It's pretty fun. So just please keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you.